Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present orange chicken. This delicious sweet and spicy recipe was inspired by a Twitter follower who wanted the taste of his favorite Chinese food takeout without all the carbs. With less than 4 net carbs per serving, this zesty recipe offers that and more. Let's get started. We'll be using 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs, 3 stalks of green onions, and a half of a green and red bell pepper. Chop the green onions and cut the bell peppers into bite-sized pieces. Cut the chicken thighs into bite-sized pieces as well. We'll marinate the chicken using a large plastic bag. For the marinade, add some soy sauce, rice vinegar, a little sesame oil, some Chinese 5-spice powder, about a tablespoon of minced garlic, and some red pepper flakes. Seal the bag and give a quick mix. Add the chicken to the marinade and give a mix to be sure that all the chicken is coated well. Place in the refrigerator and let the chicken marinate for at least 1 hour to overnight. Remove the chicken and strain the liquid. You'll notice that the garlic and red pepper flakes are still with the chicken. We don't want to lose that. To a large skillet on medium-high heat, add the chicken. While the chicken is cooking, we'll work on our sauce. Add a tablespoon of peanut oil to a mixing bowl. Add some ground ginger, about a teaspoon of orange flavoring, a brown sugar substitute, and granulated regular sugar substitute as well. Add about a 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, some soy sauce, and a little bit of water. Gently sprinkle in a 1/2 teaspoon of xanthan gum. Give a mix to combine and set aside. When the chicken is just about cooked, add the peppers and onions. Cook and stir for about a minute or two. You'll notice the chicken has released some moisture. We don't want to drain that. It's loaded with a lot of flavor and will thicken when we add the sauce. Pour the sauce over the chicken and vegetables. Be sure to get all the sugar out. Continue to cook and stir. In about 5 minutes, the sauce will thicken nicely. Add some steamed rice cauliflower to a plate. Trust me, you'll need this to sop up all the glorious sauce. Spoon the chicken and peppers over the top. Garnish with some toasted sesame seeds, and enjoy all the flavors of your favorite Chinese takeout without all the carbs. There you have it, folks, my low-carb orange chicken. A sweet and zesty, slightly spicy, low-carb version of your favorite Chinese takeout. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.